The word we'll be learning in this section is namakeru, which you will often hear in contexts related to work or tasks. For example, when someone chooses to procrastinate instead of finishing a project, or when they're avoiding chores, namakeru is often the word used to describe this lack of effort or motivation. The word namakeru means to be lazy or to neglect doing something. It's often used when someone is not putting in effort or avoiding work or responsibilities. For example, if someone decides not to study for a test because they're lazy, you might use this word to describe their behavior. The first kanji means to be lazy or to neglect duties and responsibilities. It appears in taida, which means laziness, and shows the idea of lacking effort or motivation. It also appears in taiman, meaning negligence or carelessness, and emphasizes failing to do what should be done. He is lazy at work. 彼は仕事を怠ける。彼は仕事を怠ける。He is neglecting his studies. 彼は勉強を怠けている。彼は勉強を怠けている。I neglect cleaning. 掃除を怠けます。掃除を怠けます。He's lazy about exercising. 彼は運動を怠けます。彼は運動を怠けます。He is a lazy person. 彼は怠け者です。彼は怠け者です。The most common synonyms of the word namakeru are saboru and taida. Saboru refers to the act of skipping work or lessons, often implying neglecting responsibilities. Taida conveys a sense of laziness or inactivity, often used to describe a person's disposition or lifestyle, emphasizing a habitual or constant state. The most common antonyms of the word namakeru are kinben and nesshin. Kinben describes someone as diligent, highlighting their consistent effort and hard work. Nesshin means being enthusiastic or zealous, showing a passionate commitment to tasks or activities, contrasting greatly with laziness.